Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the personalizations. Here let's enter the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got actually 3 different albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So you can choose it from the photos and it is actually your own gallery, or we can pick it from the static wallpapers or live wallpapers. I will pick the static wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got the list of the fully installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, just tap on it. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so simply tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to the list of the wallpapers, so let's check the home screen, and as you can see, it has been applied. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.